This is a special episode of DIY Sci. One talented teacher will get a chance to co-host the show with me. Will it be
2, 1.
Tammy Card from Wyalusing Valley Elementary in Wyalusing, Pennsylvania?
Tammy, nice job.
Kyle Knight from Champion Elementary in Daytona Beach, Florida.
He's the best teacher, and he loves science.
Or
1, 2, 3, go.
Bruce Yaney from Annville Cleona Middle School in Annville, Pennsylvania. Who will the winner be? You will find out. And we'll blow up some stuff too. I'm Steve Spangler, and I love blowing stuff up with the power of science. I'm gonna show you how you can do it yourself.
Bam!
You can harness the power of science in your own home with DIY Sci.
Yeah!
Welcome to the contest show for DIY Sci. I'm Steve Spangler. We announced our historic first ever contest for DIY Sci on our webpage at explorationstation.com. Hey teachers, how would you like to win an all-expense paid trip to Denver? You'll be featured on a full episode of DIY Sci. Hi Katie, how are you?
Good, how are you?
We're looking for your most creative and innovative way to demonstrate Newton's third law of motion. You know, for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. It's easy to enter. Just create a video no more than 3 minutes long of you and your class doing your experiment that demonstrates Newton's third law of motion. Like I said in the announcement, this contest was all about the best video that could demonstrate Newton's third law. What is Newton's third law? For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. So if we want to make the little car move in one direction, we have to have a force coming out in the other direction here. In this particular case, we're going to use air. So we pump this up with air, and when it breaks free, the car goes in one direction because the air is going in the opposite direction. Nice catch, Higginsworth. You've seen plenty of explosive examples of Newton's third law right here on DIY Sci.
3, 2, 1, 0. Liftoff of Space Shuttle Atlantis.
Watch out! Well, we received contest videos of a bunch of experiments from students and teachers, all demonstrating Newton's third law.